Welcome to Chennai Press News Channel. Manipal Cigna Health Insurance, one of India's leading health insurers, has deepened its commitment to Tamil Nadu by accelerating the adoption of its innovative and award-winning product, Manipal Cigna Sarva. Focused on India's missing middle population, Sarva contributed 52% of the company's new business in Tamil Nadu during Jan to May 2025. Recently, Sarva was voted the Product of the Year 2025 Health Insurance. The recognition is the outcome of a consumer survey conducted by research firm Nielsen IQ.
So myself, Darvez, I'm managing Ender South, the Senior Vice President, managing Manipal Cigna. And very happy to be delighted to address all of you. As Sarva is the greatest product for us, and we have expanded our network in entire Tamil Nadu with more than 18 branches. And we are extremely doing well with more than 45% year-on-year growth in South, especially in Tamil Nadu.
My name is Ashish Yadav and I manage products and operations for Manipal Cigna. Sarva product that we have launched is a path-breaking innovation. It is affordable and it is very simple. It addresses all types of requirements of the customers, and whether it is a customer suffering from any condition or the customer is healthy. The sum insureds range from 5 lakhs and it goes up to infinite, while there is an infinite cover also in this. And the best part is that there is no waiting period in one of the plan variants in Sarva. So with such innovations, as the name suggests, Sarva, it is for everyone, it is for all. And that's the path-breaking innovation that Manipal Cigna has come up with. Thank you.
I'm Sapna. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at Manipal Cigna. And if you talk about Manipal Cigna's philosophy, it's always about doing things which are right for the customer and being with our customers both in illness and in wellness. Because we kind of say that nowadays health insurance is very necessary for everyone. It is very important, and it is important for all of us together to increase the awareness and increase the penetration of health insurance products across Bharat. And that's why, with a lot of research, a lot of thinking behind it, the product Sarva has been launched to focus on affordability, to focus on expanding the products into tier 3, tier 4 markets, to focus on the needs that the consumers really want about zero waiting period, unlimited income, to provide the best healthcare experience for customers in their time of need. I think that is the philosophy that Manipal Cigna really works with, and we want to bring to the market. And with that, our growth, in the last 1 year has been greater than 30%. We are one of the fastest growing health insurance companies. And going forward in 25-26 also, we want to keep the same growth. We are now today present in 100 cities. We plan to expand into further more markets next year across various cities, smaller cities that have the need for have insurance. We sell through a multi-channel distribution model with our partners, with our bank partners, with brokers and direct. And we plan to see how best we can deepen our reach with the right product at the right time for the right consumer. The product Sarva that we have just launched is already around 50%, greater than 50% of our new business in the market. And it's really taking, we've got a lot of people really appreciating the product, and because of this appreciation or also the research, we have been awarded the Product of the Year 2025 by an independent body, which is a body and the research is managed by Nielsen. So we are very proud about this award, and it kind of puts our commitment back into more innovation to continue kind of taking this flag higher and higher, and bring the right consumers, right product for our consumers. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.